StrongLifts 5x5 Honest Review. Watch before using. StrongLifts 5x5 is a no-nonsense fitness app designed for anyone serious about building strength and muscle, whether you're a beginner or someone returning to weightlifting. The app centers around the proven 5x5 workout program, 5 compound exercises performed for 5 sets of 5 reps. These include squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, and barbell rows. The simplicity of the program is its biggest strength, making it ideal for beginners who want clear, structured guidance without overcomplicating their routine. StrongLifts automates everything, from calculating the right weights based on your progress to tracking your rest times and logging your workouts, so you can focus entirely on lifting. One of its standout features is the gradual progression system. It increases the weight incrementally by small amounts each session, allowing you to safely build strength and avoid plateaus. For beginners, this means no guesswork about when to add weight, while more experienced lifters can use it to reset and rebuild strength systematically. The app also includes a detailed progress tracker, offering insights into your performance over time, which is motivating and incredibly useful for long-term consistency. For accountability, it syncs seamlessly with fitness wearables and other health apps, helping you monitor your overall fitness journey. However, the app isn't perfect for everyone. It's very much tailored to those who enjoy barbell training in a gym environment. If you don't have access to a full set of weights, or if you prefer dumbbells, machines, or bodyweight exercises, this app may not align with your goals. Additionally, while the free version covers the basics, some features, like advanced progress tracking and detailed video tutorials, are locked behind a paid subscription. This can be frustrating if you're on a budget. StrongLifts also assumes you're injury-free and ready to lift heavy. It provides minimal guidance on warm-ups or addressing mobility issues, so users should have a basic understanding of proper form or seek advice elsewhere before diving in. That said, the app includes a built-in rest timer and even offers reminders to avoid skipping workouts, which is a nice touch for staying consistent. In summary, StrongLifts 5x5 is an excellent tool for strength-focused individuals, particularly those who appreciate simplicity, measurable results, and a well-tested program. Beginners will love the structured guidance, while intermediate lifters can benefit from its efficiency. Just make sure you have the necessary equipment, prioritize proper form, and consider the paid features if you want to maximize its potential.